What is up, rock stars, and welcome to another video where I will be showing you guys my morning trading session for Monday, September 23rd. Going to be condensing about 55 minutes worth of trading. This morning we're trading 3 different tryouts for 3 different firms. The first one is TopStep, second is My Funded Futures, and the third is Apteros. So the first 2 types of accounts that I'm trading with TopStep and my Forex funds. Most of you guys are going to be familiar with those firms as they're very popular for futures traders and kind of, smaller traders looking to get their entryway into trading and being able to maximize on capital. But a lot of you guys might not know about Apteros, and that's the one I'm truly excited about. Don't get me wrong, I love TopStep and my Forex funds, but Apteros is ran by a complete legend in the futures trading space as far as when it comes to prop firms, like a legend on Wall Street, on actual Wall Street. And to be able to potentially trade at his firm and get some attention from people of that caliber means a lot. It could be life-changing if you just do the right things and are able to prove that you can be profitable and consistent and just make it happen. So with TopStep and my Forex funds, just only need to make $3,000 of profit without losing $2,000 and $2,500 respectively. But with Apteros, I have to make $10,000 without losing $4,000. But the difference is with Apteros, the drawdown isn't trailing. It's a static drawdown that I can't just go past negative 4,000. So I could go up 9,500 and then go all the way back down to negative 4,000, and that would be messing up as opposed to having a $4,000 trailing drawdown or something like that. So that's what's really appealing towards for me about Apteros. And yeah, I'm very excited. All right, so first trade of the morning is about to be taken here. We finally had a break of the 7 o'clock hourly candle to the bullish side. So with that, I wanted to take a long setup. I ended up closing out earlier than I wanted to, which was a good thing because I didn't map my trade copier correctly, so it only went to the TopStep account and not the other 2 accounts. So I ended up closing it, which ended up being a good thing because the market retraced a bit, afterwards. So I took 2 trades. One got me about $400 worth of profit, somewhere around there, and then the second one I think I got out at just slightly under break even, just losing a little bit of money. Nothing major at all. But then I took some time to actually get my trade copier set up to where I could trade take one trade and have it copy to not only the TopStep accounts, but also the My Funded Futures and the Apteros account. So you can see that trade just taken there where I basically got out at break even there. We had very rangy price action for the whole morning. So at this point, I decided that I would go and finish getting dressed for work so that just in case I had to, trade a little longer than I wanted to, I wouldn't have to then get dressed and do all the other stuff I had to do before leaving to work. Because Monday meetings are always fun, right? So decided just to get that knocked out so that I can actually trade a little bit more, confidently, knowing I wouldn't be stuck in a trade longer than I wanted to. So finally I entered a little earlier than I would have liked to, simply because I was losing a little bit of patience waiting around so long for an actual trade setup. That morning is a super rangy morning, but long story short, got the first step of my entry signal. And for me, that was enough to then enter long because we already had the break of that 7 o'clock hourly candle to the upside. And I knew I was looking for a bullish setup. Once I got the first, I guess the next key for entry, I just entered in without the third confirmation, but it turned out being a good thing, essentially because I was able to move my stop up to keep trailing the candles, and then it pretty much wicked right into my take profit almost perfectly, and we ended up being up over $700 on the TopStep account, and then over just about 450, somewhere around there, on the other sets of accounts.